Today we're going to take a quick look at this black carbon fiber construction helmet. This is a full brim helmet, as you can see here. The company LANON did send this over and compensate me to make this video, and so far I'm highly impressed. And the first thing, it's carbon fiber, and it's real carbon fiber, so it's very lightweight. It's got a lot of adjustments here, as you can see, so you can twist this in or out, and this will go from 22.4 inches to 26 inches in circumference. So this is kind of what it looks like. Tightens up real nice on your head, so it keeps it from falling off if you're moving around a lot or picking up stuff. If you're working on steel or regular construction, it's really gonna stay on your head very nice and tight. And it's very comfortable as well, and it does have the sweatband inside of it that's removable. And then also it does come with the little carry bag, so a little drawstring bag, the instructions, and some stickers, so you can put some stickers on there. And here's what the back of it looks like, and kind of an up-close shot of that. It's got a nice little imprint there with their logo. So pretty cool helmet overall. I did bang it up a little bit just to see if it was very durable, if it'd break easy. Definitely did not. So if you're looking for a really nice construction helmet, then this might be the one for you. Hope this video helps.